Welcome to yet another Pixel Dungeon. I'm sorry about my previous video. That day I was not in the right mindset. I'd been going through some stressful times. If you didn't hear, I lost a cousin in war. Died from a mortar going off, which sucks. It's depressing. Can't believe he did it in Call of Duty. A lot of people won't find that funny, but I am the cringe lord. Bow down to me. I'm messing with you. So, yeah, welcome back to yet another Pixel Dungeon. I'm sorry for my previous video. I'm sorry for all that dang swearing. That was depressingly sad. But without further delay and chaos, we're going to play some amazing yet another Pixel Dungeon. So, we got the pretty much just the rogue, the wizard, sorcerer, warrior combo, the sorcerer, and then the warrior. Pretty basic. So, of course, I'm going to be the stealthy, sneaky snake. So, simple and easiness, yes, starteth the newest game. Yada, 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 cool. You can pause that if you want to read that, because you have the mental power. Also, if you don't have the mental power, I'm sorry. I'm not going to call you, like, anything. I'm not going to call you names. We're just going to have we're going to have happy fun times. Go give your sister or your brother or someone a big high five today, because today is your lucky day. You get to listen to me. 3 throwing knives all in a row. 3 murders committed in a row. Or Sherlock Holmes when he needed him. Wow, this is a boring video. I'm not able to talk. It's what I've always feared. Yeah, it's so hard to not swear, and I don't know why. It's just the kind of video I make. But in order to get featured on my friend's channel, I'm going to have to make a few videos not swearing. I promise you, all those who liked, the swearing will come back. It's just not as much this time. Like, I'm not going to every 5 seconds say the F word. Like, I think people are a little bit harsh about that. I'll do you and I'll do me and you'll do you. Yep, that came off the right way. That was perfect. Don't even need to edit that out. I'm on fire. Am I on fire right now? I can't tell. Just gonna let it incinerate me. Oh, yay. Okay. Not so yay. More like this is really frickin' gay. Hey. It rhymed, so technically it's not swearing. Okay, it's family friendly because most little tiny 40-year-olds don't know what that word means. Oh, and if you'd like to know some fun facts, I had to record this video in my bathroom because it's the only quiet room in my house. Oh, the rest, the rooms are full of screaming children. They're my cousins. If you get a single wrong idea, I know exactly where you live. Speaking of that, you should download Product. Product is so good. It does this, and the amazing feature is this. And with code in corner, you can do this for less. Too much? Yeah, I think that's a little bit too much. I'll do a face reveal. I'll do it. Don't make me. What, you thought I was going to be silent? I gotcha, boy. So we're just going to plunder this dungeon. That's some weird, nerdy, time, place, analogy thing. Yeah, Me am no do English language. Okay, you know what? You know, you can take those stabby stabs and put them right up here under that nice long kilt. I'm being slapped by a fox. We could have been friends. Oh, you're just gonna take a nap now. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. I think someone's calling me. Or the video ended and now I'm talking into nothingness. Hello, darkness. You know. Okay, what the frick-a-frack? Okay, am I glitched? I can't find no, they're done, I found. Good to meet you. Oh, dude, I'm gonna sneak up on this guy. Me. Get that out of here, mother frick-a-fracker. N-word. That's what that is. That is precisely what What did you think you were gonna do? Huh, boy? You think you gonna sneak up on me? Oh no, you ain't, that's not how we roll, yeah. No, we don't do that. Okay, could you just get wrecked already? Die. Nobody loves you. Do you wonder why your mom kicked you out of your house? That's why. Yeah, I think I'm going a little bit too far. Yes, I'm starving to death. Starve to death. Oh, what's this? I don't know what any of these do. Yeah, read this. Well, that was a waste of my time. Actually, I'm having second thoughts about that being a waste of my time. Yeah, okay, let's see if I can find... Okay, just screw off. I don't love you. I hate you. I wish your mom had swallowed you. Not a euphemism. It's fact. But, okay, always starving again, you... Not good human being. See, I'm having a hard time. Please, I'm not gonna use your real name. You know who you are out there. You know... You know exactly who you are. The frick-a-frack? Die. Die! Also, go... No. No, little children, do not come anywhere near this bathroom. I'm recording my YouTube video. For the YouTubes. For all my wonderful 0 subscribers out there. Okay. Hey! When you sound like a complete and utter retard, just talk about Donald Trump. Yeah, about Donald Trump. Not a cool guy. He's not cool. He's been kind of not a fun person. Like, I don't want to badmouth him like everyone is, but you know, I'm just not enjoying what he's doing with his entire life. Like, you need to just figure something out. You need to take a chill pill. I may have to quit. Okay. Don't mind the audio issues. I am moving. I am running. You'll hear lots of loud noises. This is not going to be a fun experience. Yes. Going to have to move into my room. It will be slightly noisier. Everyone's going to yell at me. There's going to be copyright sounds. Do not mind that. Whatever they do, don't let them stop you. Life loves you. Glad to do. Fuck! I think my foot is bleeding. God